Alrighty, hey guys, this is JC Bowers. Today we are at Wabash, and I'm going to be discussing for the first time a book. Shout out to Aaron Navarro, also my boxing coach. He has been wanting to move and just get himself into the farm life, and I started looking at this book to be helpful, and wow, it's amazing. So this book, the 7 Steps, I believe it says the 7 Step Homestead, is by Leah Webb. And the reason that this book really stood out to me in comparison to the others, I mean, there are other books that are fantastic, right? Grow Your Soil, Let It Rot, things like that are fantastic to learn about the science, the soil and the science in your soil. What's going on, what eats what, all that good stuff. But if you're, in the city and you're sort of having this dream, right, of, just getting off the grid and doing things yourself and doing homesteading and being 100% fully self sufficient, which I know a lot of people are, which is exciting. But the number one thing we have to remember, always keep in mind, is it's not about how much land you have, it is about how much space you work. And working land is a lot of work. And you could do a lot of gardening and a lot of good stuff in a small space. I've done all my vegetables this year in a 12 by 18 foot space and everything, and I still have my peppers going. So the reason, like I said, I'm sorry. So the reason that this book is so wonderful is because it goes really slow, step by step. We are starting one section, and then I think she talks about doing that one and maintaining it for about a year. There are other sections that we get about, right? The 7 steps, 7 sections, whatever. But she basically goes really slow and she talks about, hey, we all have these great ideas that we want to do, but we also have to maintain. That's one of the things myself as a gardener really did not realize until I got in a situation when I started gardening. So I was like, I want a huge garden over there, and then I'm going to do something over there, and then I'm going to build a pond. I really did that. And then after I did all of that, it was like, okay, now I have to maintain all of this, work all of this. And that's when you learn, don't be like me. Do it slowly and at first. That way you're not having to unmake certain areas or not be able to totally take care of something. I did that and tried things in a bunch of different areas, but then I forgot about them. So with like a vegetable garden, we want to have it all in one space and sort of sectioned off. And this book explains that. So if you are thinking and having those sort of dreams on Sunday about just getting away, and Monday sounds horrible because your boss is your boss, get the book. It'll take you to another place and hopefully make you a little happy and plant on.